Hi everybody, I'm going to show you amazing eye makeup transformation, but first of all, I'm going to show you the eyebrows of this teenager who's just starting to get her eyebrows done because she has spikes up on her eyebrows. I'm going to use this mascara for the eyebrows, number 31 by Cinthia Cosmetic, and I'm going to bring the hair down with this mascara, which is made out of gel, and this one has color, brown color in it, so I'm going to shape it at the same time. But most importantly is the spiky hairs that are just growing, and as a teenager you don't like this, so you want to bend these hair in the eyebrow. Each morning, I recommend for these teenagers to have this special brush and brush their eyebrows at the same time as they brush their hair in the morning. And it will take the shape eventually by doing this every morning. And if you want this not to show, you use a clear brow mascara. I have one by Cinthia Cosmetic, and it will not show, it will be very discreet. It's like a gel, you see? You can barely see it. And it just sticks on, glues your hair perfectly. So now, after the eyebrows, I'm going to do her eye makeup with only 2 colors from the Effortless Trio. I'm going to take the first darkest color, which is sort of a brown. I'm going to put it in her inner corner eye and the exterior of her eye, bringing both to the middle, and I'm going to put that up into the crease. And then after applying this brown color, I'm going to take the medium color, which is sort of like a golden orange color, and I'm going to put it in the center. And no color on the orchid because we've done enough with these particular 2 colors and with the makeup of the eyebrows. So no eyeliner as well, just some very dark black mascara. And look how beautiful the result is.